In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper guide, AI app review, and this is going to be completely 100% honest. I'm going to show you how to use this step by step. Now, what is this tool exactly? So you can think of it as a AI powered, research assistant that is designed to basically streamline the academic workflow for both students, researchers, and professionals, right? It offers you a lot of features. For example, here, right, I was actually using this tool and it literally wrote a whole paper for me. And I'll continue writing this paper and I'll show you. So this is one cool feature, the writer, right? Of course, the link to this tool is in the description. You can go ahead and check that out if you want. Now, let me start off with the home page. Let's go to the home page. Let's show you each feature. First, let us go ahead and start with this one, the AI search. So I can ask, a research question to them. And of course, they have some examples as well. If I click on this, you'll see different examples in different genres. So we have social science, different subjects, different fields. So let's go ahead and paste this one, right? Microloans and their role in alleviating poverty. Okay, we'll search this up and let's see what paper guide does for us. So now I'm searching through papers and it's also going to give me references for this. So let's see the analysis it has gotten from the top relevant papers. And there you go. You can see in seconds, right? It's literally doing this in seconds. It's analyzed over 10,000 papers. And now it came up with this. So this is an introduction to microloans, how this impacts, financial inclusion, right? And now here we have it in the United States, basically specific locations. If I want, I could have put it another specific location and it would have done it according to that. Now we have case studies, we have evidences, right? A lot of things. Now we have case studies from other places in the world as well, and a conclusion, right? And they also give you the references. So if I come here and for example, now here we have citations as well, right here. For example, you see, and this is the AI feature as well. You can cite this if you want to copy a citation from here. So this is for the literature review. Okay. This is systematic review, right? So if I want to cite this, I just need to come here, click on copy citations. I can go out, check the references as well. So you can just copy this if you need that APA formatting. You know what is cool? When I show you this writer feature, I will show you. It literally does the references for you while writing the paper for you. It's insane. So you can see a lot of references here. If I click on view PDF, you will see that we get a PDF downloaded right now. Let me open this up in a new tab. As you can see, we have the whole PDF, and here we go. This is an open access PDF. You can use this as your references as well. And you can keep scrolling down, guys. It's basically endless. It's literally endless at this point, as you can see. Now, you can also go ahead and analyze this in a table view if you want. You can go ahead and export this as well as a CSV, for example. Right? So let me go ahead and close this and go back to home. Let's show you some other features. So as the AI search, you can also do a whole literature review. So if I put in that topic and I do this, it will literally go ahead and do a whole literature review for me, and I can add extra columns. For example, I can add the methodology, right? It'll also so it will go over all the papers it has access to. It will browse through all the papers, over 10,000 papers, and I'll go ahead and get me the methodology as well, right? Look at this. Check this out. Literally in seconds. This is really, really powerful, especially when you're doing your research paper. It can save you a lot of hours. The last research paper I actually did, I wish I had this. It's basically your research assistant. And the pricing, guys, look, let me show you the pricing. You can actually get this for free. Literally, you can use this for free. You can do 10 AI generations per day. Usually when they give you to do a research paper, they give you months to do this. So you can go ahead and use the free version as well. They have the premium AI models available, GPT-4, GPT-4o, and they give you 500 MB storage if you want to go ahead and store references. I'll show you that later as well. And you also get a lot of other features. The AI writer will write you 300 words per day. All right, you get AI summaries, AI search, all for free, guys. And usually, these research papers, they span over 3 months and above. So you can go ahead and utilize this for free. And if you want, guys, you can go ahead and get some plans. If you get the annual plan, $16 a month. And of course, you can go ahead and use this promo code TGFYS20 and use the link in the description. You can actually get 20% off. So I got you this code as well. It's completely up to you if you want to go ahead and use this. You can actually just use the free version. Go ahead and try that one out. But of course, maybe you are in a time crunch and you have deadlines and you really want to utilize this. Maybe you only have a few days left. You can go ahead and use the unlimited AI writer words, unlimited AI generations, right? You can go ahead and use those, okay? So let's go back here. We have the methodology. So this paper went and did a qualitative research, quantitative analysis, and it took some case studies here as well. This one, we have case study analysis. So it gives you everything summarized, right? And of course, there's a lot of other columns you can go ahead and add. You can go ahead and look for research gaps that you could go ahead and tackle in your paper, right? They will identify these. They will look at the hypotheses each tested. The future research you can go ahead and do. This literally can save you a lot of time. Because the last research paper I did, I had to literally go to Google Scholar, open up so many papers to go ahead and do the research. And honestly, that whole management research paper I did, it took me, oh my gosh, over 3 months every day, at least 4 or 5 hours. Oh boy, that took me a long time. So here we go. Research gaps. We get some here for this paper. You can go ahead and open up the DOI as well. Just click on that link. It will open that up in a new tab. Right? Look at the amount of time this thing can save you. Anything you want, it's literally here. Dependent variables, independent variables, really, really important for you to go ahead and use in your studies. And of course, all the columns are here. You can add as many columns as you want. And then at the end, you can go ahead and export these as a CSV or Excel. Really easy and simple. As you can see, it started downloading this automatically. So I can go ahead and open that up in Excel. And here you go. We have dependent variables, right? Independent variables, everything coming right here. So this one, it didn't quite generate yet. I still opened it up. And here you go. We have everything here. Everything, literally. So I can go ahead and enlarge this, of course, and then you get all your data. Right? So that is this part. Now let's go ahead back to home. You can also chat with PDF. So if I come and drop this PDF we downloaded, paste this right here. Okay. Let it upload, and I can go ahead and click on proceed here. Look at this. Look at this, guys, okay? Yesterday I was doing it with this PDF. Now we have this one. And you can try out some sample questions. So if you have a paper you're using as a reference, you can go ahead and literally ask this tool to do for you maybe, what are the key findings? You literally don't even have to go through it. The AI will literally do it for you. It's way better than pasting it into ChatGPT, because with ChatGPT, you would have to feed ChatGPT the data basically like 5 pages at a time. You can copy because there's a character limit. This you cannot even feed it the whole PDF, because if you do feed it the whole PDF, after a certain amount of pages, it will not even be reading that PDF. But this one, Paperguide, has everything internalized. As you can see, here we have the key findings of this paper. Literally any paper, guys. If you want, you can go ahead and take your own paper you did before, plug it in here, and try it out for yourself. You'll see it will give you accurate results. Now, you can also ask it more things. Maybe, go ahead and do a summary for me. Literally, just one click, and in a few seconds, it will give you a whole summary of this paper. Let me go ahead and wait for this. And there we go. A whole summary right here. Literally so easy. And let me show you the best part. The writer, the AI writer. So this one I was working on yesterday. So the topic is microloans and their role in alleviating poverty, right? Everything here was written by this AI. Even did the outline for me. Look at this. Now he started with the actual work, what it found in the outline. And you might think this will be AI detected or plagiarism detected. Nope. Just go ahead and check plagiarism. It's not. Literally not. And references is automatically added for you in whatever APA format you want. So if your supervisor has asked you to do maybe APA 7, you can come here and select APA 7. If you have to do AMA 11, you can go ahead and choose that one, right? So right here, I think we can go ahead and see the plagiarism score, 0%. You can also go ahead and use the AI detector on human eyes. It will still give you 0%. And you can go ahead and choose something and literally highlight it and ask with AI. So if I come here, highlight this, I can ask AI to do certain things, maybe improve the writing. I can even humanize this even more. Can help you change the tone. Maybe you want it to speak more boldly or simplified. Maybe it looks too complicated there. Really, you can do a lot of things. So let me go ahead and do this. You can translate this to other languages if you so wish to. And here we go. So where did we reach? Look, historical development of microlending, right? Let's see where it is. It's right here. Target beneficiaries. This is the next part. I'll copy this. Watch this. Watch what the AI will do. I put it right here. I put my cursor right here. And let's go ahead and to the next paragraph. Now I'll ask AI, okay, to do this. You can ask it to write it for you. So I can ask it to write an introduction, a conclusion, key points on certain things, opposing argument, or transition, anything, right? I can even tell it to continue writing this topic, or I can ask it to generate text on this. So I'll click on Ask AI, and then just watch. The AI will literally write everything for me, and the references get automatically added. You don't even have to do anything. Literally, watch. So I have input this. Now the AI is collecting data. It's thinking, right? You have to give it a little bit of time for it to do good work for you. Look at this. Target beneficiaries. And this is actually correct because I have worked on a similar paper, and I know this one is very, very correct. You can go ahead and read through this. If you are happy with this, you can go ahead and press on accept, or you can give it other suggestions, right? I'll accept this part of the work. Look at this. This one, literally all this, 1,000 words. I got this in literally about 3 minutes. It's insane. 1,000 words would have taken me a few days to do all of this. After doing all this research, not to mention putting everything in APA formatting. Guys, you can add images, can add code blocks, tables, to-do lists, anything you want. It's basically a Word document, right? And you can go ahead to the reference manager and check what references you have added. So for example, if I go to references, I have had my own database here. I already added this one. And you can go ahead and look for other ones as well. So if I come and click on this, I can also get a AI summary, right? Click here, can get notes done. A lot of different things. If I want an AI summary, I can just click here and the AI will generate a whole summary. You don't have to sit and read through the whole thing. The AI does it for you. Literally, it is a really amazing research assistant, I gotta say. So, let me come back to home. Actually, let's get my topic again. So we'll go back, we'll get my topic, and I'll show you another feature. So microloans and their role in alleviating poverty. This is my topic. Go copy this. Let's go back to home. And of course, guys, you can get started for free if you are not that much in a time crunch. But if you are in a time crunch, you can go to check the link in the description to sign up. And I even have a promo code for you, 20% off. And you can get unlimited AI generations for these plans. All right, let's go back here. You can do chat with PDF as well, which I showed you. And you can also extract data from your references. So I had a PDF I had added right here. So I can come here, click on extract data. You can select multiple papers. You can even upload 100 papers and extract all the data from these papers. So if I select this one and I say, for all those papers I have added, give me the funding source. And it will literally find it for you. Hypothesis tested, right? So this one did not have any specific funding sources mentioned. So now we can see the hypothesis tested the dependent variables, independent variables, of course, the study design, literally in seconds, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is the best research assistant, way better than ChatGPT. And you can go ahead and check it out, guys. Link in the description. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.